Today we're going to be testing the NCP1014STBUCGEVB demo board, which is a non-isolated positive output buck AC/DC converter. The equipment we're going to be using today is a DC electronic load, which will be providing a 200 milliamp supply. We're also going to be using an AC source, which should have a current limit set on it at 4 amps in order to prevent any destruction of the board. The AC source will be providing both a 90 and 265 volts AC. And lastly, we're going to be using a voltmeter connected in parallel with the DC electronic load. The first step involves setting our AC source to 90 volts AC. Then we're going to set our DC electronic load to apply a 200 milliamp source. Once all our equipment is properly set, we're going to begin by powering on the AC source. By applying 0 milliamps to the DC electronic load and powering on our 90 volt AC source, we should check to see that the LED turns on and we're receiving about 12 volts at the output. Then we're going to apply our 200 milliamp load and check to see that our voltage remains at 12 volts and the LED remains on. Now we're going to change our AC source to provide 265 volts. Applying 0 milliamps to the output, we're going to power on our 265 volts AC source. And then we're going to check to see that the LED is powered on and we're receiving 12 volts at the output. Lastly, we're going to apply our 200 milliamp load and check to see that the output remains around 12 volts and our LED remains on. This concludes the test of the NCP1014STBUCGEVB. For more information, visit www.onsemi.com or contact an authorized distributor.